Exercise 1.6 question number 10. Survey of 1000 farmers found 600 group paddy, 350 group ragi, 280 group corn, 120 group paddy and ragi, 100 group ragi and corn, 80 group paddy and corn. Each farmer grew at least any one of the above three, then find the number of farmers who grew all the three. So solution. Let us assume A, B, C, which represents a set of farmers who grew paddy, ragi and corn respectively. So it is N, A union B union, C is 1000 and paddy set A is 600, ragi set B is 350, corn set C is 280. So we'll assume the values like this. Now what is the cardinal value? So we have to assign for each and every element of this. So cardinal set of A intersection B is 120 and A intersection C is 80, B intersection C is 100. That is the farmers who grew both crops like paddy and ragi, corn and paddy. So the mixed crop, how they are growing, based on that we have the intersecting values as 20, 80 and 100, and related to that we having a Venn diagram for the sets. So as we have three crops, and so we have to draw three set of diagrams, that is A, B, C. So 600, 350 and 280 represents paddy, corn and ragi, and the one who grew both crops, so the intersecting elements we have to write inside, and then we have to find all the three crops grown by the farmers. We don't know the value for that. So the formula for that is N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so like that, accordingly the one who grew both the crops, so accordingly we are going to split up the values here, and then we have to find the intersecting values of all the crops. So N of A intersection B intersection C, that only we are going to find it, and according to the formula we have to write the values. Once you finish or done with your formula writing, respectively add the values. So 1000, 600, 350, 280 minus 120 minus 80 minus 100 plus N of A intersection, B intersection and C. So we don't know the value, we are going to find it now. So what should we do now? So just add it. 600, 350, 280, you will get it 1230, and the total value which we actually wants to subtract from 1230 is 300. So subtract it from the 1230, you will be getting 930. Okay, now we have to find the farmers who grew all the three crops, that is intersecting. A intersection of B intersection of C is equal to 1000 minus 930, you will get 70. So 70 farmers, they will grow all.